Hello teacher, now I'm going to explain the topic that is semantic. At first, we are going to see that what is semantic. Semantic is the linguistic study of meaning, is the interpretation of words, scenes, and the sentence structure. So, the semantics is how we understand to others. It's like how we interpret the words that we say or we understand. Semantics can also refer to the branch of study within linguistics that deals with language and how we understand meaning. Basically, semantics help us understand each other's and understand words and their structure. Thanks to semantics, we have a clear idea how we can understand some words or some sentences because the communication is so important and communicate word, phrase, of sentences is we are not going to understand what they mean. We will not know that what they want to communicate to us, or we will not to know how to interpret what others say. Semantic is the study of meaning of linguistic expression. This means that semantics help us to understand what the other people want to say. For example, if we saw a flowers and we really know that that is a flower, but other people saw a different thing. For example, in the flower they saw a fruit or something like that. So semantic help us to have the same idea for all of us. So if I watch a flower, the other people also see a flower. Semantics is the study of meanings of linguistic expression. The language can be a natural language such as English or Spanish, or an artificial language like a computer programming language. Anyone who speaks a language has a truly amazing capacity to reason about the meaning of texts. It doesn't matter how the language that we are going to speak, English, Spanish, or the idiom of the computers. Semantics also help us to understand everything. In the semantic, we are going to find the literal meaning and the figurative meaning. The literal meaning is take concepts at face value. For example, the two wings of an airplane. This is the part that projects from the side of an aircraft and supports in the air. So it's literal the meaning of wings. And the other side that is figurative meaning, that is means that utilize similarities and metaphor to represent meaning and convey greater emotion. And that is which create a vivid mental image to readers or listeners. For example, we hope college life will help him to spread his wings a bit. When say spread his wings, it is referred that extend his activities and interests. Is like notice the literal meaning is figurative. It's like extend his activities. Figures of speech is something that we can find in semantics because this is some, for example, some of them there are metaphors, or the etc. Figurative speech is is used for special effects. It is said that a word or phrase which is used for a special effect and which doesn't have its usual or literal meaning. Okay, the next topics that we can find in the semantic is lexical semantics. And lexical semantics, okay. Lexical semantics, which is concerned with the meanings of words and the meaning relationship among words. This means that lexical semantics is refers to the sense or meaning of a word as it appears in a dictionary, also knows as semantic meaning, detonation meaning, and central meaning contrast with grammatical meaning. The branch of linguistics that concerns with the study of lexical meaning is called lexical semantics. It just means that lexical semantics is how we okay. Lexical semantics is the study of word meaning. It is mean that this is a study how we can understand the word, how these words means. And lexical semantics may suggest otherwise morphological semantics, the study of the meaning of complex as function of the meaning of their parts and the way they are constructed. So lexical semantics help to how we construct sentences and how these sentences means. For example, we can't do a sentences if we don't know the meaning of the words that we can put in the sentences. So the semantics have different functions that help us to how we create a sentences, phrase, or lexical descriptively speaking. The main topic studied within lexical semantics involve either the internal semantic structure of words. Lexical help us how to create sentences without errors or without errors of grammatical. Because it's when, for example, that I said we can't do a sentences if we don't know how the word means. For example, we can't not say, we can't not put the words, for example, tree, if we do not how tree means. So the lexical semantics help us the words, what it means, and okay, let me see. Oh, sentential semantics, which is concerned with the meaning of syntactic units larger than the word, the study of how context affects meaning. This is, for example, how the sentences its whole in here comes to be interpreted as close the windows. In certain situations is called pragmatics. This means that how we can understand some context. For example, that is I say is hot. Well, if we can put in a context, this means that I need a air conditioner, or I want to go out because because inside is so hot. And or for example, when the people say it's hot, other people means that, well, I need to take a shower. So this is how we can interpret it in the context that the words is said. For example, we can't just speak like I need water. Yo, it the logical thing will be that I I need a drink water or something like that. But if I say I drink water, or it's so hot, or something like that, other people not are going to understand the context. They just listen and not interpret. And so the sententials, this is help us how we can understand the context in we are going to speak or listen. So sentential semantic, it is about the context that we give to the sentences, as I mentioned before. This means the logic or how is the meaning that we give it. Some sentences have different meanings depending on the perspective of the person. That I said that is I said that it's so hot. Some people are going to say, "Oh, you need to drink water," or "You need to put the ventilator to put the you need to put the ventilator." And other people that have a different perspective of you are going to say other things. For example, yes, it's so hot, or the weather need to change, or something like that. So all people have different perspective, because not all people think in the same way. So sentential semantics help us understand and give them the same meaning for everyone. That I say that not all people think in the same way, so these sentential semantics help us to put the same perspective for all people. In describing the meaning of such larger syntactic units, we usually start with its core meaning or semantic kernel, which is referred to as its propositions. Thank you.